Jai Janardhan student. This video is about a great scientist, about a fourth lesson, that is a truly beautiful mind, which is a biographical pic of a great scientist, Albert Einstein. This lesson is divided into the different parts. First few paragraphs is about childhood days of the Einstein. In that it is explained that he was born on 14th March 1879 in Ulm city of German. He was a freak child, and why freak? Because he had a large head. He was not uttering or he was not speaking fluently. He was uttering each word twice. His playmates called him Brother Boring, and he liked to play with the mechanical toys. This is about the childhood days. As a student, he was too poor in all subjects except math. So his principal told parents that he will never make a success at anything. But he was not a bad pupil. He went to the Munich to high school as his family moved when he was 15 months old, and he scored good marks into the Munich school. But at the age of 15, he left that school because he felt stifled. He felt very suffocated because of that rigid environment of the Munich, and he left the school and took the admission into the Switzerland, which is more liberal, which was very uh, liberal school than the Munich. This about the student life. In the higher education, at the time of higher education, as I said, he was highly gifted in maths and interested in the physics. He decided to study at Zurich University. When he became young, he was looking a dashing young man with a walrus mustache. He felt a special interest in a fellow student, that is Melvia Merrick, because she too was very equally intelligent, and she was also working on the same theory of the relativity. Both of them, their views are matched to each other, so that he was having interest on the fellow student Melvia Merrick. About his career, in 1900, at the age of 21st, he was a university graduate and unemployed. After completion of graduation, he was unemployed. So for 2 years he was working as a teaching assistant and was giving a private lesson. In 1902, he got a job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern, and when he was doing that job, he was developing his own idea in a secret, so that the scientists were calling the desk of his drawer as a Bureau of Theoretical Physics. In 1905, theory of relativity he gave to the world and proved that time and distance are not absolute, and he has given a great formula, that is E is equal to mc square. About his personal life, as I have said, that he was interested in the Melvia marriage, but the Einstein's mother was against this marriage because of two reasons. One, it is Melvia was older, 3 years older than the Einstein, and the second was that she was equally intelligent like the Einstein. So that mother was having a fear that their marriage will be not successful. But finally, with lots of argument, in 1903 they got married and they had a two son. But again, as according to the mother's view, they have divorced in 1990, and on the same year he married with his cousin Elsa in the same year. This was about his personal life. The impact of his theory: he got a name and fame in 1915 because of the theory which he has given. But he was innovating. He was interpreting his own theory, and he interpreted of gravity with his theory in 1950. Because of that, because of his work in the physics subject, he received a Nobel Prize in 1921. In 1933, he was living in German, but in 1933, as the Nazis captured the German, he emigrated to the United States. With the help of his theory, American developed the atomic bomb. When he went to the United States, he come to know, because of my theory of relativity, with the help of that, Americans are developing the atomic bomb. So he requested the President of America and warned that single bomb like this is very dangerous and might destroys the lots of territory. So don't throw or don't make such develop such kind of atomic bomb. But the American president didn't listen that, and so that they developed that atomic bomb and dropped on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, the Japanese cities. You know very well this through the um, in the history. After listening this he shaken a lot, and so that by this got he involved in politics. So he left the to work in the physics, he involved into the politics, and till the end of his life he worked for the peace and democracy into the world. And he his own till the end of the life he was just fighting for the peace and the world democracy into the world. So he was known as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientist genius. And in this way, in 1955, at the age of 76, he um, died, and he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as the scientific genius. So this was all about the Albert Einstein's life. I think you understood very well. Thank you.